Hello guys, welcome to the How to channel. In this video, we'll see how to connect GoHighLevel to the cloud. To do this, we're first going to use Windsor AI, which is a business intelligence platform that will allow you to log it into your GoHighLevel account. So we search for GoHighLevel here and we select the first option. Then we need to click on Connect. It will say Access GoHighLevel, and then we need to click on connect. It will say assets go high level. And when we click it, a pop-up will open so we can connect your Go High Level account with Windsor AI. Once we complete this integration process between Windsor AI and Go High Level, the next step is go to the cloud. Once inside the cloud, we go to the more sections and then to connectors. We will click on add connectors. Here we'll search for the Windsor AI, select the first option, and as you can see, this is the official page. We'll click on connect and it will redirect you to the Windsor AI login page. In this case, to allow assets, we just need to click and allow all assets. And with that, we have successfully connect Windsor AI with the cloud. Obviously, you also need to have GoHighLevel connected beforehand for this to work properly and enable the connection between GoHighLevel and the cloud.